to GK time. Important days. When is International Yoga Day celebrated? Answer June 21st. When is World Water Day celebrated? Answer March 22nd. When is Teachers Day celebrated? Answer September 5. When is International Non-Violence Day celebrated? Answer October 2. When is Human Rights Day celebrated? Answer December 10. When is International Women's Day celebrated? Answer March 8. When is Environment Day celebrated? Answer June 5. Nature fact file. Dash have little or no sense of smell. They use their sense of taste to judge what food to eat. Answer dolphin. Dash whales change color from pink or dark grey at birth to completely white after 5 years. Answer baby beluga. The tiny dash is the smallest mammal. It is as big as your thumb. Hawk-nosed bat. The noisiest land mammal is the dash. Its calls can be heard 5 kilometers away. Answer howler monkey. Dash are the strongest flyers. They can fly over high hills and even mountains. Apollo butterfly. The dash can glide across the surface of water due to its slim, light body and long, white legs. Answer pond skater insect. Dash can sting only once in its entire lifetime. It dies after stinging someone. Answer B. Dash can change their color to hide in flowers and plants and to catch small insects for food. Answer crab spider. Dash is a medium-sized water bait is found all over the world except Antarctica. It has feet with webbed toes. These have no nostrils and use beaks to breathe. Answer pelican. The dash is the largest bird native to Australia. It also the second largest living bird after ostrich. It eats stones to digest plants and insects as food. Answer emu. The dash found in North America is 7 to 9 centimeter long with an 8 to 11 centimeter wingspan and weighs about 2 to 6 gram. Its wings rapidly with 53 beats per second. Answer ruby throated hummingbird. The dash is a large colorful bird closely related to parrots, which mainly lives in humid rainforest or South America and USA. It has a very strong beak that can crush Brazil nuts. Answer scarlet macaw. Weather instruments. A dash measures temperature. Answer thermometer. A dash measures atmospheric pressure. Answer barometer. A dash measures the speed of a wind. Answer anemometer. A dash is an instrument that determines the direction of wind. Answer wind vane. A dash measures the content of water vapor in humidity in the air. Answer hygrometer. Dash measures the amount of rainfall. Answer rain gauge. Thank you.